Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a form in Airtable in 2024. So forms are a great way to collect data directly into your Airtable base from your clients, of course, teammates as well, or maybe users. So I'll guide you through the process of creating and customizing a form so you can streamline data collection with ease. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video, and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Basically, just go and type airtable.com, hit the enter button. This should take you here because I'm already logged in. But if you're not logged in and if it's your first time, you'll find yourself instead in this page. Here, you can click on sign in at the top right corner to sign in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up for free instead. You can use a Google or an Apple ID if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. You can also use this single sign-on option. If you want to just use Airtable for single use, then download your spreadsheet, database, whatever you created, and go away. It's up to you. So for me, as example, I'm already logged in as we said before, so I'll find myself here in the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, of course, make sure to go at the top left corner, create your workspace. For me, as you can see, it's already created. Once you click on create here, you just have to name it and you'll find yourself here with empty bases. You will find no bases for you. For you, then you can start creating a base from scratch, upload like some info or something from any source in here. If you didn't find what you want, you can simply submit a request to you so they can add the source that you want to import from. As you can see, if you didn't find even what you want in here, you can simply choose other and give the name and as an example anything, any other information that you want to add. Other than importing, you can simply choose one of the template that they give you. As you can see, a lot of template they have in here. I'll just go scroll down, go and see all templates, and you will see here they have a lot of templates for each category. So, as an example, they have a lot of templates for projects management, for marketing. They have marketing templates as well. They have like product templates. They have sales and CRM template. They have like HR and recruiting templates. They have multiple things. If you scroll down, you'll find also more categories. If you scroll down again, you'll find more categories. So they have multiple templates to choose from. Choose the one that suits you, and you can start your base from that. If you didn't like any of the those before, you can create your unique template using AI. This AI tool is a little bit bugged because it's in beta. So if you open it the first time, just go and click on X, then open it again. And then of course you can type whatever you want. Maybe as an example, you want to create like a database. So just type create database as an example. All you need to do, then click on next. Of course, you can choose the color of it if you want to. As an example, maybe this color, it's up to you. For the settings, you can enter like the name, maybe of organization, industry, audience, and etc. Or you can even choose one of the things in here that you want. So you can even see like this one, track job applicants, schedule interviews, and manage hiring decisions. So it's up to you. Create the one that you want or one of the examples in here. Then click on next. Once you click on next, of course, AI will create everything for you. Just sit tight and relax, and it will create, as we said, everything for you. So as an example, this app includes some forms and even it's include like the form that we want to do in this video. So as you can see, it's created. You can simply just go and click on create this app. Of course, you can add things. And once you add this, click on preview, or you can add even your own things. As an example, name it whatever you want, add it, and yeah. So for me, I'm not going to do so because I have many bases. I don't need more. So now, as we said, we will need, or as we said, of course, in the beginning of this video, we will need to create a form. And of course, in order to create that form, we will need to go and access a base. So, okay. Yeah, delete this. And yeah, so I'll just go and access this page, this like base as an example. Once I am on that base, all I need to do, just go to the top options and you will find forms. Go and click on that forms. And as you can see here, you can start creating your new form. So I'll just go here and click on this list panel. I'll just go to this plus button and add a new form. Click on that. So once you do so, here you'll have to choose the table that's what form this form will be created for. So for me, I'll just go and create it for the tasks table. And the form name, of course, you can name it whatever you want. For me, I'll just name it omics like form. So yeah, it seems good to go. I'll just go then click on create a form. You can add an image for it, but as you can see, it will require a plan for you. And same for logo, as an example, it's require a plan. Other than that, everything I guess you'll be able to do it. Like add in description. If you want to add the description, it's up to you. The task, of course, name. This is the form, so you'll be able to edit this form however you want. An example. So for this tasks form or omics form, we can change like the name in here as example. So the title, you can change it here on the right or in here right away. So it's up to you. So as example, I'll just go here. So I'll just name it test like one, hit the enter button as example, and it should be changed soon. So as you can see, it's changed. Other than that, you can change like the source, the appearance example. You can make it large instead of default. A helper text example, like maybe what they should enter here. So maybe you can just give them an example. So I'll just type here example, and you can put your example for you there. For the rules, of course, you can like visibility if you want to show it or not. Of course, it will be visible, and default value. You can go and add it. Required field or not. What does required field means? That means they will not be able to submit this form if they did not fill this place or this section. So if you want this example, maybe the first section or this first and second section will be, or first section will be your full name. So your full name, you might want it to be required. So when people will not be able to submit this form without the full name. If you want it to be like no one knows who submits the form or something like that, it's up to you if you don't want to put it required or something like that. You can even put its character limit, but as you can see, this also will require plan. So you can edit all of that for each of the things in here, and you can also add your own fields like sign a single line text, a long text, select like a single select as an example. So as you can see, you can do that. So they can select like from stuff. You can add like a date, a number, currency, other like things in here. So a lot of fields that you can add. Once you have seen everything is corrected, you can click on preview to preview everything and click on submit to preview it and see if it's working. If it's working, just go and click on publish the form and it will be published to your base right away. So that should be it for me in this video. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.